how I make my rice. You set your oven temperature to either 350 or 375, depending on your oven. And then from there, you want to put it in like in a dish like this with a lid on a tray, like a cookie sheet or something like that. It makes it easier to take it out of the oven. And for some reason, when I do it this way, as the rice is cooking, it sometimes gets hard at the bottom. This helps prevent that by having it on a tray, like a cookie sheet or something. And anyway, so it's 1 cup rice, 2 cups really hot water, as hot as you get it from your sink. And then from there, you put it in your oven for about 45, 50 minutes, depending on your oven. Yeah, that's it so far. 2 cups extremely hot water from your sink. You pour it in. I'm being goofy here. You stir it with something. A spoon, knife, fork, whatever, just to get things moving. Just kind of stir it up. You know, gently, of course, not like how I'm doing it. Just kind of stir it up a little bit. And then you stick a lid over it. And you stick it in this oven, which I'm going to show next. And as you can see, I stuck this all in the oven. And this is how I cook my rice. It'll be about 45 to 50 minutes, depending on the oven. Well, I forgot to do this part, but hey, as you can see, the rice is done perfectly. Tasted pretty good. I put the Costco's mango curry chicken on top of it. Oh, delicious.